Good morning, students. This side Dharmendra Verma, and in the last section we have done. In last session we have done section break and other options. So now today, as my topic is applying character formats. It's actually session number 7. It's so easy, not so hard. It is actually easy. So first I just want to clarify the thing. What is the character format? Before character format, you have to understand what is the meaning of format over here. So format means to say to provide a different types of the stages of one character. How we can look, how we can provide a look to a character. That is the only we can just say hidden sense in this topic. How you will provide a how you will provide a different look to a character. So character formats are basically actually important for those documents where you just want to show something differently, or you just want to highlight something. If you just want to show not in a regular manner, at that time you can use the uh, character formats. So in the case of character formats, if you just want to go with the character formats, so you have to work on the font face, font size, and grow fonts, shrink fonts, strike through, and subscript, superscripts, clear formatting, text highlight color, font color, change the case, sentence case, lowercase, uppercase, capitalize each word, and toggle cases. So these actually all over for this section. So I will just tell you about everything which is actually in this section, in this session. So excuse me. First I just want to clarify that thing, font face. What is the font face? How your font look, how your font is called font face. There is an n number of font face present in the Microsoft Word, or we can just say you can again install the font from the outside, so it's a none of matter. So I just want to tell you what is the font face. So you can just write anything. Suppose I'm just writing over here Apple. So this Apple is simple. Now I just want to change the font face. So if you just want to change the font face or look of the font, you can just move for home. After home, you can just move over here. There's a n number of fonts present in your Microsoft Word. So if you just want to choose any, your font will convert that thing. Take a look. Now it is better for me because I just want to tell you. Take a look. I'm changing the font and the face of the font will change. That's called font face. So you can just simply apply any font over here. Suppose I'm just going to apply any font which you are comfortable, or you can easily understand, it looks better. So I choose this one, random, or anything. Clear? So that's called font face. After font face, so how you can change the font face? First you have to select the area where you just want to apply that font face, and then click on the font face and apply anything. So suppose I apply on, I just want to apply on Times Roman. So Times New Roman. Clear? So it's now Times New Roman. Clear? Then after font face is font size. So you can increase or decrease the size of your font. It is again so easy. Suppose I just want to increase the size of this text, so I can just select that area and I can just uh, apply that. So it's called font size. Clear? It's called font size. After that, you can increase the font size, and again, as well as you can also decrease the font size, or you just want to more decrease, then you can apply manually. Select that one, apply over here, type 5, it will decrease. Type 2, or you can just say 22. Okay, so that's again font phase. After font phase, font size, and after font phase and font size, you can just see where is that? No, is that one? Yes, font size is over, phase is over. Now grow font and shrink font, these are the two options present on the Microsoft Word over here. It's near about your font size and font phase. After that, it is called shrink, sorry, it's called increase, or that's called shrink your font or decrease the font size. So if you just want to increase that thing, I'll select and increase. So in the same manner, in same we can just say in same ratio, it will increase or decrease. It will increase or decrease. Clear? So it's called for increasing the size or increasing the size of your font, and it is called decreasing the size of your font. I'll give a minute here. I just want to close all unnecessary tabs over here. Now, after that, shrink is clear. Strike through. Strike through is again a method where you can highlight your text. Suppose if I'm just applying strike through over here, so that is called strike through. Click over here, a single line, and it's called a strike through, where you can just highlight your text. You just want to show differently your text, you can just use the strike through. After strike through, it's called subscript and superscript. First, I just want to tell you what is the difference between the subscript and superscript. If I'm just writing over x square, take an example, x square, so it is not possible because it's called x2. So I'm writing over here, selecting that thing, and I can apply that one. So it's called x square. It's called superscript. And if I'm just saying 2 x2, and oh sorry, I have to apply normal. Then again, then click over here. Now what is that? It's called superscript, where 2 is actually showing the power, and here is called subscript. Clear? So this is the difference between the superscript and subscript, and I actually told you how you can apply that thing. I'll just tell you once again. So if I'm just providing a square plus b square, so a square plus b square, but now it's called a2 plus b2. So if you convert that 2 into the square, then you can simply click over here, and it's called a square plus b square. It's so simple. Clear? So superscript, subscript, okay. Now clear formatting. Now clear formatting is what? You applied a format over there, and you just want to wash out that formatting pattern. You just want a normal text, you can just use the clear formatting. One more thing which is important, format painter. It is again important thing, because suppose I actually uh, yes, I actually underlined that thing, or I changed the background the color of the text, and I just want the same thing over here. So what will I will select that format because I actually appreciate that thing. It is good. Click on the format painter and simply select that area where you just want to apply the format. It will convert your data. It will convert your formatting as same as. Okay. And then after, now these are the highlight color, font color, change cases. So I'll tell you everything. First thing is called color. I just want to change the color of this my first letter. So you can go for the home. After home, you can just see the tab over here which showing you the multiple colors. You can just click any color. Suppose I choose that one, and I can also what I can just also the you know change the whole color also. So if I just want to change into the blue, it will work. So take a look. So I'm going to change the color of my text. Okay. So and one more thing, I can highlight the my scenario. It will highlight it, or change the highlight color. We can just change the highlight color also. If you just want to highlight in blue, okay, it will highlight into the blue. If you just wanting to change something else, any color, because most of the time it's a highlight color, so you can use that one also. Use that one only. Okay. Then highlight color after that is font color is okay. Highlight color we have done. Change case. Now change case is again important matter. Why and how? I'll tell you. Hmm. Yeah, it is okay. Okay, now this is again a normal sentence area over here. This is the same thing, which is how I went down. So what would I'm just doing over here. Excuse me. Right now, what I'm just doing over here, I'm just going to change the cases. So select the area which you want. I'm just selecting all my area and move over here. It's called sentence case because it's by default in sentence cases. So we can just leave it. I'm just going to click on the lowercase first. And when I click on the lowercase, the all text is actually convert into the lowercase. In uppercase, all text will convert into uppercase. Nobody is lower. Then capitalize each word. Capitalize each word means to say the first letter of every word will be capitalized. Now you can just see what W is capital, I is capital, and chemical is C is capital, substance S is capital, oxygen O is capital, clear. Connected is C is connected, so C is capital. So it's called capitalize each word. Now in the case of toggle case, so whole all things which you have selected and click on the toggle cases, the first word should be capital, but in this case the first word will be in lowercase, and rest of all will be in capital case or caps case, or we can say in uppercase. Now when I click on the sentence case, it will be a normal sentence scenario over here. So you can just change your case by the help of by the click on the home and then click on the change case option present on the home tab. Okay. Then after I think it's over. Thank you so much, class, And one more thing, if you just want to ask any question, if you are not able to understand something or anything, you can just make a call to me, and or you can just simply make text with me in the one-to-one text. Thank you so much.